Whose bag is this? Help Arab find the owner of these items. Arab says, I bought this bag. How should Arab describe the bag? This is I bag, or this is my bag, or this is me bag. Pause the video and guess. Very good. This is my bag. Correct. Because he owns it. Now we will explore something. Possession lab. Click and discover. Okay. Now I will click on I. Look here. After I, this is I. The possessive adjective of I is mine. And this is my bag. Who is owner? Arab is owner, and the item is bag. Now you talking to Sita, and possessive adjective is ear. Is this ear pencil? Who is owner? Sita, and item is pencil. Now he, positive adjective is his. Sentence is this is his cap. Owner is person and item is cap. Now she, possessive adjective is her. These are her pants. Good. Now it, the possessive adjective is its. The dog eats its bone. And we, who we, possessive adjective is our. And look here, this is our school. They, for they, possessive adjective is there. That is their football. Very good. Now, subject pronoun and possessive adjective of that pronoun. Possessive adjective of I is mine. For example, my book. Possessive adjective of you is ear. For example, earpan. Possessive adjective of we is our. For example, our country, Nepal. Now, gender specific possessive adjective. For example, for he, we use his. For she, we use her. And for they, we use their. For example, his shirt for boy or male, her ring for girl or male, their house when that is plural. Okay. Now it's its without apostrophe is possessive adjective. For example, the dog wags its tail. And it's with apostrophe is the short form of it is. For example, it's a sunny day in Kathmandu. Never use an apostrophe for possession here. Now, pause the video and choose the correct option. Pasang Sherpa is carrying a heavy backpack. Pasang Sherpa loves the Himalayas. This is, pause the video and guess the correct answer. This is his heavy bag. Very good. Now, again, pause the video and choose the correct answer. Farmers in Chittagong are harvesting rice together. The farmers are working hard. Very good. Their crops are growing oil. Now, we have 4 questions. Let's practice together. Sita has a beautiful dress. Pause the video and choose the answer. Very good. Her dress is red. Now we will move into next question. We live in Nepal. Pause and choose. Very good. Our country is beautiful. The dog is sleeping in. Very good. Its house. Ramesh and Hari are playing. Their Boy is new. Very good. Now, congratulations. You have mastered possessive adjective for grade 4. And here is your certificate. You are certified champion. Congratulations.